7:25 in the morning. Today we are at the Beyond City Limits car meet on Ocean Beach in San Francisco. So I'm decided to bring my Corolla. This is going to be my first meet with the Corolla. It's completely stock, so I mean there's really nothing much to show, but I just really hope we find some parking. Yeah, I'm gonna just ride in with these guys. Don't really know them, but coming here by myself. But I just wanted to come and record some of the cars that are here. There's supposed to be some really cool ones. There's a really interesting Nissan Leaf, surprisingly enough, that I want to see. So yeah, man, we'll see what there is. So there are a lot of people coming in, but this is pretty much the end. So what I'm gonna do is just walk down and kind of just show what's here. Got a few Audis. Sorry, I don't have a gimbal, so it might not be super smooth, but got this beautiful R8 here. Got a lot of like cars that are not super heavily modified, but you know, everyone has their own taste and everyone has a budget, so this fitment is really nice. I wonder if this is on bags. Oh my gosh, I think it's static, honestly. Looks good. Hold on, I'm gonna switch to a different camera. Alright, this one might not be as smooth, but at least it'll stay in focus. Got this 240 classic with the work wheels. This one's pretty clean inside, honestly. Got another R8. Got some Infinities, Lexuses. Got this Skyline, Integras. Right-hand drive too. Smells like weed. It's so early. Oh my gosh. I don't smoke, but you know. Yeah. Thought that was pretty early. I like those fenders. Ooh, you know this thing is quick if it's got this mountain ready to go. Oh man, let's go. I like that color too. I want to put that on the car. Kind of more of an emerald. At another 240. AFJ Cruiser. Oh, this is nice. Looks like they just repainted this one too. Got another Infinity. Actually really want one of those, but the VR4 version. I thought this was a muscle car. Like, I thought it was a Camaro in the back, but it's this Mazda. Woof. My goodness. Wow. My gosh. I don't want to see what's under the hood. Oh shoot, it is a V8. Wow.
It is a V8.
That's sick.
It is an LS.
You got me confused for a second.
I was like listening to it. I was like,
is
hey,
it the
I
Camaro?
thought it was him. He pulled in and he was chopping up.
Yeah.
Because I was waiting for the rodeo to
Yeah.
But then I was like, is that him?
I was like, I'm so confused. That's sick, man. Beautiful build.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
That's the rotary.
There you go. Yeah, that's what we're trying to hear. There's a baby GTR right there. Pretty popular on Instagram. Really nice dude. See, that's what a RX-8 is trying to sound like. They got this Camaro trying to get in. Ooh, look at those fat tires in the back, dude. Got the Subi. Got the Roller. I actually like, oh wow, these are nice. They got T37 on there too. That's cool. I like that wing. Oh, it's got a moving wing. And a Corolla? This NXX, dude. You get a wider view. Wow. That's clean. Of stuff here. Got this Viper.
Yeah.
Wow, this thing is wow.
This
hood is huge. Holy cow.
That's a sick ass.
I like that. Oh shoot. I accidentally stopped the video. I like that diffuser for that. It's got like that Japanese style mirrors. That's cool. Ooh, those will look sick on the Corolla, I think. These are like air disc something. I'm not sure what they are, but pretty cool. Bunch of Subis, Supras. Got another Civic. I love these Lexus. They're almost ageless. You just upgrade the headlights and it's running on. Nice design. Got a few Halloween themes. Spider-Man Civics. It's pretty cool. Bro, I don't know where my car is. I thought I parked somewhere around here. I'm sure my car's not getting any love right now, but it's okay. Bunch of Challengers. Few Civic SI. Okay. kind of like that. There's the Corolla. Here's the new Civic, so that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I'm gonna take a picture of that. There's my Corolla. Some other. Oh, this is cool. I don't see these often. Very interesting. Of course, R35 above and beyond. Wow, with vented carbon fenders. I don't know what kind of wheels those are. It's bagged for sure. Sparco seats. Sorry, Sparco seatbelts. Yo, this wing is crazy. It's like a double wing. I don't know how I feel about that. Is that too much? Is that too little? I don't know. These are beautiful right here.
Remember the Camry thing? Yeah. That shit was so sick.
LC 500, I believe they're called. Got some Stingers. Subarus.
I'm recording content for my TikTok, so I saw those people, like, I started recording them with my glasses.
Ooh. My coworker has one of these. Got to send him a picture of it because he wants to bag it. Oof. Oof. There's Porsche. Trying to get out of people's way. Got this other Porsche. Porsche. I don't know. Oh, look at that, dude. Oh shoot. I gotta wrap around again. But we got some exotics over here. There's a lot of people. I was gonna park there, but look. Look at that. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't park there. Got some Evos over here. That's tight. I have a Mitsubishi Galant with, it's not the same engine, but I feel like I could swap this into it. That'd be kind of cool. Mercedes something, I'm not sure, but I've always wanted to see what's under the hood of these. Wow, that is beautiful. That is just absolutely incredible. There's another one right there. Oh, this one's for sure. Look at this tire. Oh my gosh, it's tight. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this thing must be so fun to drive in. He for sure takes us to the track. We got a Hellcat here. We got Jack Skellington, bro. Follow this dude on Instagram too. He's a nice guy. Looking clean. Oh, you got good parking too. That's pretty good parking. Of course, can't forget the Corolla G. The 86s. Ooh, look at that. It's got some stuff done to it. Oh, this guy's trying to get out. I'm glad they're moving because they're gonna box everyone in. Wow, those are very unique. One of my neighbors has one of these. I just don't know what they're called. It's like so cool too. Is this a Skyline? I still don't know what the difference between a Skyline and GTR is, but I think it's a Skyline. Let's check the back. GTR. Oh, I think I've seen this one before. I remember that plate. Whew, look at the fitment on this thing. tint is pretty cool too. Corolla with the heart rims, not bad. That looks fun to drive. Woo! MR2. Hope I don't get copyrighted for this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try to talk. Hold on, I'm just gonna skip it. All right, who do you think will win? The Sonata, the GTR, or the Rogue? I got all my money on the Rogue, bro. All right, I think we're clear from the music. What is this? Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. Ford. Oh, it's even got the seatbelts that go back. What is this? Ford Escort? Oh, it is an Escort. Look at that. Classic vehicle from Nevada. That's pretty tight.
And the old school, like, Ford Escort GT was pretty nice. I like that. I always had like a little stuff on mine.
Got the, ooh, that's cool. Oh, okay. I haven't seen the convertibles get a lot of love. That's tight. This looks fun to drive in. Wow. Holy cow. That is, that's wild. That is wild. That's beautiful though. I like that color of this Integra. That's a nice, like, that's like a, it's purple pattern. Oh shoot, just aired out. Got the 370. That's nice. That's nice. Look at this Sylvia. It's so clean. Oh my god. It's so clean. Wow. So beautiful. I want to see the back of this. We got the beach here. Wow. I love how you kept it so clean.
Thank you.
It's beautiful, man. Wow.
That's how we painted and everything. That's what I look like I got last year.
Alright, we got some more GTRs. Lexus coming in. Hot. Ooh, that tint is crazy dark. Why does the front of that GTR not look right? I don't know why. Something looks off. S2K.
No, I got a good spot for when you want to leave. All you gotta do is
Alright, we got some pretty average cars over here. No hate. My car's pretty average too, so yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna go back that way. Sheesh, that's cool. I wonder how they get around in the city like that, honestly. We got some super tight here. Got a Challenger. Got the Prelude. I like that. GTR. Oh, a lot of GTRs actually. Oh, there's one here. There's one there. There's one there. I like that color. Super dent already, bro. That sucks. Man. How dirty too. There's a lot of people walking through here. Just cut through. Wow, right-hand drive too, like that. That's nice. GTRs on GTRs on GTRs. Pretty popular choice. Got a Supra, another GTR. I like this black. Some people think all black looks the same, but the black on this is like really nice. Jeez. Oh, this is sick. Wow. Look at that. That's nice. This wide body RX-8. Oh, just in the front, okay. I love that Civic though, that's crazy. Oh, it's like super gutted too. Nice. That's 400. Ooh, I like the taillights. The clear's where it's at, honestly. Got another Beamer coming through. Trying to cross. Genesis, Mustang. Not much of an American car guy, but I can appreciate it still. Honestly, I haven't been in a muscle car actually, so I shouldn't say too much about it. I don't want to judge before I've actually experienced it. I don't get the point, like the love for them, but I'm sure it's a huge community, so I'm sure it feels amazing. Very unique. Not sure what that is, but
yeah, we'll come next year too.
really want an Evo 10. Maybe the Subaru. It's nice. Okay, see that guy at my gym. Gym I go to. Oh, the Veloster, dude. Oh, I've seen this guy on Instagram. I miss my Veloster, honestly. I mean, it wasn't this year, but the same model. But you know, mine was the second gen, as you probably remember.
Yeah, I made it. You made it.
S2000 Tegra Mustang. Oh, this is the one. Okay, hold on. I'll show you in a sec. Hold on.
This one's awesome. Yeah, this one stands out.
Got the old dude with the McLaren. I'm assuming this is yours, huh? Nice. Beautiful. Wow. Got the two beautiful exotics. But right here, oh, look at this S15. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this guy's just like barely going. He's woo. Anyways, let's look at this leaf. Oh my gosh. Of course. Okay, this.
Wow. You were at Monterey Car Week, weren't you?
What's that? Yeah,
You were at Monterey Car Week?
Is that the lemon chef?
Oh my gosh. This you? I think I saw this posted in like Super Street.
Yeah.
That's
insane.
insane.
Like 2 days ago.
Yeah, I was like, oh man, that must be amazing to see in person. Look at that.
Here it
That's
is.
incredible. That's incredible, man.
Just like eventually like.
So did it cut into the wire?
Yeah, cut into a wire and started the ignition.
Yeah.
And had I looked at the
Wow.
pieces, I would have figured out.
So that was the owner.
You got quickly or did it take you a while?
This is so crazy.
No idea what's going on.
For real.
It's electric in the front, and then the motorcycle engine powers the back, which is crazy. So it's like all-wheel drive, but two different.
So
Wow.
it was lame that it didn't figure
Incredible, that's for sure. Incredible. All right, I think I'll walk down there now, but
Yeah, it was so fun. I'm not
cool guy, cool guy.
This car is so fun.
Great talking to you,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Thanks.
It's so fun on the ride.
Got the S2K leaving. Ooh, this Corvette's nice. I don't really like Corvettes, but I like the fenders, the carbon fenders. This is so crazy. This is so crazy to see. I love this. I love it. I love it so much. What are you driving? Oh my gosh. This is wild. This is like, I don't know how good of a replica this is, but I'm sure it's pretty spot on, to be honest. I love like that old school like grill and all that. That one still looks like a work in progress. Oh, this one's pretty unique. I think this is a Corolla too. Oh wow. I love these old cars, honestly. I mean, they just have so much character.
Oh, we gotta look at the fucking.
Oh, they're super owning. I love it. Oh, that color. Wow, that color's cool. That's cool. I don't know if this is the same dude from Vallejo, but oh no, it's a different guy. It's BMWs, man. They sound pretty cool. My beautiful Corolla. I like how the Civic Si parked next to me. I think that suits it. Even though the Civic's way faster. I don't know about way, but beautiful. All right, look at this Mustang. I gotta pee so bad, you guys. There's like no bathrooms here. Look at that. European muscle, dude. That sounds good. That sounds really good. Oh, I gotta stop with the music. It's a really clean RX-7. This one looks pretty stock, honestly. Wow. I like that. I like that they're keeping it nice and unadulterated. Oh, this Chaser, man. This is a dream car. I want a Chaser so bad. They are beautiful. Oh, this is clean. Okay, it's auto. That's fine. That's fine. This must be so fun to drive, though. Got the 350 with the virus kit. That's nice.
These? Oh, yeah. I like it.
I like these Civics, these old Civics. I mean, I like a lot of popular cars, to be honest, but I mean, they're popular for a reason, right? Oh, this is wild. Oh, look at that. I recorded this earlier, but I didn't see this, all these little details. That must be their car group or something. But super short shifter. That's cool. They covered this up and they brought the mirrors in front like the Japanese style. That's tight. I respect it. It looks very unique. That's for sure. Very unique. Oh, dude, how did I miss this? Wow. Oof. Wow. Yo. This is incredible. I love this this kit on it. Oh, gosh. Got that biker gang. I like how people come with like their groups. I know the camera's super shaky, guys, sorry. That's beautiful. That's insane, wow. A lot of Subarus. The MR2.
Yeah, my neighbor had one of these in the city here. He spent his entire life working on it.
That's the story of every MR2.
Yeah, I remember when he opened up the hood once. It's like, where's the engine?
Yeah. Is this you?
No.
Okay. Oh, this you? Nice, dude. My girlfriend, my. Okay, okay. That's the owner right there.
Go, go, go.
Is this El Camino, I think? El Camino. Ooh, that's clean inside. Wow. Let's see. Am I right? Am I right? Oh, I'm not right. It's a Dodge Rampage, apparently. Okay. Beat up Civic. Still a work in progress. The Dots, Ellis swap Dotson. It's got that verbal tune. It's wild. I can't get over this one. This is wild. Got the biker gang. Really glad I found parking in here. Alright, I think I recorded all this, but yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's I might walk down a little bit more, but I have to pee so bad, so yeah. Actually, this one looks like it just came here. Oh, this is wild. Wow. Look at all of that work that they've done to it. Oh my gosh, they must have put so much money, time, energy. This must be so fun to drive, especially on the beach. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for this car. This truck, I should say. Very interesting. Wow. Look at how much they cut the fender. I'd probably slice your finger off, to be honest. Look at the springs. Wow. That's wild. Silverado. Soda Fab. This is insane. Yeah. F